Divorce affecting children's mental health. Introduction. Today, more and more parents are deciding to break up through divorce. The highest percentage of such families lives in the USA, Northern, and Western Europe. According to scientists, only 60% of children in the United States today live with their married parents. At the same time, there is evidence that a divorce is a devastating event in any child's life. This paper aims to discuss the psychological and mental effects divorce has on children. Main text. Among the leading causes of divorce, scientists call family instability and cohabitation. Although in unhappy marriages, such an outcome can have a beneficial effect on the lives of women, men, or their children who have been abused, the lack of reliable support from a healthy family harms children. In particular, statistics about the exposure of such children to a higher risk of adaptation, academic difficulties, destructive behavior, and depressed mood are alarming. Besides, these children are at higher risk of risky sexual behavior. Moreover, after the family breaks up, one parent usually cannot provide the same high income, which is a related risk factor. Scientists have different opinions regarding the influence of divorce on the psyche of children. Some scholars believe that, despite exposure to the listed risks, children of divorced parents remain psychologically stable. However, scientists also recognize that divorce creates painful social situations in children's lives. For example, when both parents traditionally should be present at graduation or wedding. Other scholars point out that even if both parents continue to spend time with the child after the divorce, this does not change much. It is also believed that children who survive divorce may develop psychological abnormalities such as anxiety, depression, panic disorder, and generalized anxiety disorder. Thus, despite some differences in approaches, scientists agree on the negative impact of divorce on children's psyche. Conclusion. Thus, the psychological and mental effects divorce has on children were discussed. To summarize, although divorce is a widespread practice in Europe and the United States, it has negative consequences. In particular, children of divorced parents are at risk of destructive behavior, and may also be prone to depression or anxiety disorders. Unfortunately, even when both parents communicate with the child, the mentioned effects are not eliminated.